Bro, Kclot got me looking like a fucking GTA character, man. Hey, bro, what's up? Run me your shit. Run me your shit, nigga. Hey, man, I'm playing Kclot. We don't condone no violence over here on the NAIJABOYT channel. All peace, feel me? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video, guys, I got another brand for you guys, another review. This one's for my people at Kclot. They sent me a package, wanted me to review for you guys. I was like, hey man, why not? The thing about this this collab that we're doing with brands, one thing you need to know is if you see a brand on my channel, just know automatic that they gas. You feel me? I'm not gonna put on no trash ass brand on my channel. So when I look at brands, I go on the website, check out the pieces, and I be like, hey man, my supporters could fuck with this, you feel me? So I put it on my channel. But anyways, man, boom, this is the package that sent your boy. So I'm about to unbox this for you guys and review it. But before we start, for those of you who don't know what Kclot is, Kclot is a clothing store that offers high quality streetwear for cheap and affordable prices. They also have a huge variety of clothing you may like cargo pants, graphic tees, jackets, and many more, man. So make sure you guys go check out Kclot. And of course, man, I'm looking out for you guys once again. Be sure to use my code NAIJABOYT. Boom. For some bucks off. And with that being said, let's see what the people at Kclot sent us, man. So like I showed you guys, this is what the package looks like. You have a Kclot written underneath it. So cool little packaging. They package this shit tight as hell. So I got it open. Like I told y'all boys, I like it when brands take the time with the packaging. It just looks so good, you know what I'm saying? We got a little note from Kclot. Let's see what they're saying. To you from Kclot founder. Thank you for your trust in our brand as a startup company. Kclot aims to provide affordable clothing for everyone who likes fashion. You are the driving force for our growth. In order to express our gratitude to you, we have prepared a small gift for you in an envelope. We sincerely wish that the package you receive will bring you happiness. Shit, it sure will. Boom. Thank you. And they sent me a cool little necklace, which is really thoughtful of my people at Kclot. So what I'm saying, man, brands be taking their time and be showing you love. So on to the first piece. Boom. We have a graphic tee. Boom. Hold on real quick. What the fuck? Why is my camera set up like this? Hold on. So boom, I hope this is better, guys, because I need to stand up and make this video because I'm about to try it on for you guys live and direct. This is the first graphic tee. I think it's Playboy Cardi on the front. There's a writing in it, but I can't read what it said. I think it's just gibberish, I don't know. But I'm about to try it for you guys right now. Alright, your first tee. This shit is crazy. Sizing is A1, guys. This is in the medium. For those of you wondering, every piece you're gonna see in this video is gonna be linked in the description down below. So you guys don't need to do no searching. I got you guys, man. Everything you see is gonna be linked down below. And for those of you wondering, I'm 5'11" and I weigh about, damn, how much I weigh, bruh? I don't know, about to check. I'll put it in the screen. But yeah, that's the info you guys need if you guys want to cop some tees for yourself as well. But like I said, yeah, the first tee in the medium, dope as hell. Under the close-up of the graphic on the t-shirt. Cooler graphic tee. On to the next. Alright, so for the next piece, I'm gonna just grab this one. I don't know what this is, but I like the color. Boom. Hold on, let me see. And this shit is fire, guys. What the hell? Another graphic tee, like I said, some anime stuff on it. I don't watch no anime, so I don't know what this is. But for those anime heads, don't let me know what this is in the comment section down below. But this is in a medium as well. Let's see how this fits. So boom, second tee, a medium. I could go a size up, like a large, but I like my t-shirts a little bit snug. So yeah, in case you guys wonder, this isn't too small. This is just how I like my t-shirts fit. Alright, so for the next piece we have a zip up hoodie, I believe. Okay, bro, I be seeing this shits everywhere, man. On TikTok, on Instagram, everyone got this. But yeah, cool little zip up hoodie. Alright, so this one's a little bit too small, but it's cool. Boom. Yeah, this is way too small. My word, it's the gym or something. But from the design, it looks cool. Close up. Yeah, man. On to the next piece. Okay. So for the next piece, what? They sent me a hat? That's crazy. The Kclot hat. Y'all know me and my hats, man, bro. Like, take a look at my collection, bro. This is fire. I can already tell. Boom. This is gas. Okay, y'all tell me how I look, man. Hold on. This is gas. Boom. Send me a cool little hat. Says Kclot on it, as you can see. Boom, I'm about to leave this on for the whole video, man. Damn, another Kclot. Okay, this is hard, guys. Damn, Kclot, I see you. Hold on, let me see what they talking about. Alright, so this is in the, oh my god, this shit looks so fire. What the fuck? Alright, this is in the large, as you can see. Cool little long sleeve tee. The back is dope as hell, man. The back is dope as hell. Quality doesn't feel cheap at all. So, bruh, make sure y'all guys go check out Kclot, man. Alright, so for the next piece, we do have some pants. Okay. Alright, this look dope. I feel like this is gonna be a little bit too small though. I ain't gonna cut. This is in the medium, guys. Hold on, let me pop this on real quick. Oh my god. Alright, what the fuck? I can't even get this shit closed. Bro, but these are dope as hell. Man, bro, I swear to God, I'm about to hit them up and let them know I want these, bro, but in my size. Bro. Hold on, let me show you guys. These some dope ass pants. I can't even get them closed. Like, what the hell? Anyways, man, like I told you guys, I'm about to hit up my boys at Kclot and tell them send me these again, because they too small. Kclot, if you're watching this, send me these again in an extra large, man. Or in a large, no, in an extra large. These pants are fire as hell. I need these in the extra large at Kclot. Send me these, please. Alright, so for the next piece, we once again have another graphic tee. Boom. Cool little graphic tee. Also in a medium, I believe. Boom. So this is how it looks. So this is how the tag looks. My bad, guys. This is how it looks. And yeah. So boom. Cool little graphic tee. Bro, Kclot, bro, they go crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Kclot is going crazy. Close up. And guys, on some real shit, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If the quality isn't nice, I'm gonna tell you guys, bro. I'm not gonna lie to my supporters, man. The quality is actually dope as hell, man. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. It's dope as hell. On to the next. So boom, on to the next graphic tee in a medium as well. That's what the front looks like. And this is the back. Fire design. Let's see how it looks. Hey man, bro, this shit is dope, Kclot. What the hell? Boom. Cool 360 for you guys. Exactly how I wanted it, man. Fits perfect. Comment down below what you guys think of this review and clothing haul until now, man. Let me guys know your opinions, how the pieces are looking. And boom. On to the final piece of the video. We have another graphic tee of, what the hell? This shit looks funny and dope at the same time. March, old memory of Newtown. Winter March. I don't know what the hell this is, but it's cool. Boom. And on the back, it's plain. This is a bit oversized, I believe. Okay, this is in the medium as well, but I think this is a little bit oversized. But yeah, let's see. The fitting is A1, guys. Like, this fits exactly how a medium should fit. And yeah, I fuck with it heavy. Boom. As you can see, the bag is empty. We have one more thing. I don't know what this is. hell is this? Bandana? Hold on. What the hell is this? A scarf? Hold on, guys. Let me figure this out. Kclot gang, stand up, nigga. Yo, what the hell? This shit is dope, nigga. What the hell? Yo, Kclot, man, bro. Shout out to y'all boys, man. Shout out to Kclot, guys. Hey, man, with that being said, that brings us to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed the video personally. Kclot, hey, man. Shout out to your boys, Kclot. You guys have some dope ass pieces, like for real, you guys have some dope ass pieces. So if you guys want to cop some stuff from Kclot as well, use my code NAIJABOYT for some dollars off your order, man. And yeah, man, with that being said, that's the end of the video. I'll catch you guys in another video, man. Love you guys. Peace.
New car, new chain, new watch, new spot, nigga ain't new op, new Glock, get shot, cold water, make it lock.